What is going on, squatties? Welcome back to another workout here on Lean Squad TV. Today is an exciting one because it is a 10-minute, no equipment bodyweight workout that is not only going to challenge your entire body, build more lean muscle, but it's also going to burn a ton of fat because we're going to keep the tempo nice and high. And most importantly, this is a silent workout. You can do this in an apartment. You can do this in a tiny space. There is absolutely no jumping at all, and it's all low impact moves that are still going to ignite your metabolism. That's really important because a lot of low impact moves don't actually elevate the heart rate. Therefore, you're not going to challenge your body and you're not going to get the results you deserve. So in 10 minutes here, we're going to get nice and sweaty. There is no jumping whatsoever. Just do your best to follow along with me. We're going to dive straight into today's workout. We're going 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and as always, I just want you to do your best. It's all about you. So that might mean 1 rep for you, or it might mean 10 reps. Whatever is hard for you is going to be lean for you. The first exercise we're going to start off with is a mountain climber march. I really like this one because it's going to elevate our heart rate as well as engage the core with no impact whatsoever on our body, okay? So we're just bringing those feet close to the body, nice far back for 45 seconds. Get excited. It is time to get lean in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So you want to keep that butt nice and low, core engaged. And as you can see, this is a tough exercise without all the jumping, without all the flying around. And it's really going to elevate your heart rate here. So keep pushing it. If you can pick up the tempo now, let's go for it. 20 seconds to go. Come on. Whew. 10 seconds. Push, push, push. 5 seconds. And then we get our break. Come on, push. 3, 2, 1. Awesome work. Next up, quick transitions, only 15 seconds, hands on head. We're gonna go squat down, knee to elbow, squat down, knee to elbow, just like this. Nice high tempo, full range. 3, 2, 1, here we go. So keeping that chest up, weight on your heels, driving that knee across. This is engaging the core. And as you can see, all the exercises we're using today are gonna incorporate multiple body parts. That's really how you're gonna get the best results, especially in a short period of time. You don't need equipment. You don't need fancy gym memberships. All you need is the right type of plan, right type of workouts, and that's how you're gonna get really good results. So keep pushing here. 10 more seconds. Nice high tempo. Pick it up now. Come on, deep squat. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Let's go for those last reps. Next up, on the ground, we're going to go plank with the cross-body knee drive. So we're driving our knees across, my butt slightly in the air. If you struggle with this one, I just want you to hold the plank. 2, 1. There we go. You can see my heart rate's already up. Keep driving. There we go, squatties. And this is a really good exercise to work the core as well, while again, keeping that heart rate up. That's what we want. You want to be in that feeling of breath, out of breath, sorry, because that's how you know your body's gonna be burning for up to 24 hours. Metabolism on fire, lean will still be happening. Come on, here we go. Nice and controlled, exaggerate that twist. 10 more seconds. Come on, push, push, push. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. All right, next up. Oh, wow. You can see the range of exercise. We're going narrow squat, down, leg lift out to the side, squeezing that glute, okay? Working feet within your shoulders. 2, 1, weight on the heels, out with the right, squat, out with the left. And I like to put my hand on my glute here, really contract that glute. And these lower body exercises are really important because they're a great one for really igniting your metabolism. Leg day is huge. And this is an example of one of my favorite exercises, narrow squats, change it up on the lower body, tone those legs up, and then obviously incorporating the glutes. Come on, here we go, 13 seconds to go. Really pick up that tempo now. Every rep is a little more leanness. 5 seconds to go. Keep the chest up. 3, 2, 1. I want you to go for that extra rep every single time. Eyes on me. Nice wide stance. Feet outside your hands. We're gonna go push up, toe reach, push up. You can do the push up on your knees. 2, 1, here we go. Push up, toe touch, rock forward, toe touch, down, toe touch, push up. And remember, you can go on your knees for the push up. Everyone is different. There's always an option. That's the leeway. And on that note, squatties, if you haven't already, make sure you check out the 30-day challenge starting May 11th. You don't want to miss it. 30 days, follow along workouts with me. No equipment needed. Tons of motivation. Private text group. Come on, 3, 2, 1. I'll link it in the description to go. But just make sure you check it out. Okay, now that I've got that out of the way. Big deep breath, mountain climber march. One more time through. Now we empty the tank. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Really go for it now. And you can see, despite this being low impact, heart rate is up in such a short period of time. And that really is the telltale sign of how you're gonna get results while incorporating all of these different muscle groups. Because you need to build lean muscle continue. You can't just do cardio. Otherwise your metabolism will slow. Your body won't look as toned, won't be as strong, you won't feel as good. All these exercises incorporate so many different muscles. Come on, 8 seconds to go. Drive with me now. Push, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Standing up, squat to knee, come on. I'm coming in for the air hug. Let's really push it now. Final little bit of this workout. Toes slightly out, hands on head. Big deep breath, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna get through this. And at the end of the day, I always like to think of it as, this 10 minutes is not a huge ask to feel energized for the rest of the day. So many people think you need hours in the gym, but reality is a short, intense workout will go a lot longer. This will make us feel proud. This will give us a wave of endorphins. So use that as your motivation. Come on, 15 seconds to go. Every rep counts. 10 seconds, just keep doing your best. 8, push it. 5, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Holy smokes. Plank with the crossbody knees. Okay? Here we go, squatties. We've got this. 5 seconds to go. 3, come on, 2, 1. Driving those knees across, twisting that core. Your butt can be slightly up here. And I just want you to get in that rhythm. If you have to take a break, do so and then just hop back in when you're feeling good. Each and every time you get a little more active, you're gonna improve. 25 seconds. Don't let taking a break discourage you. Just keep pushing. Come on, squatties. Here we go. We're nearly done. 10 seconds to go. Drive. Strong core. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes. All right, last 2 minutes. This is a narrow squat with the leg and glute lift. Hey, feet within your shoulders. All right, full range, weight on the heels. 3, 2, 1, down, and squeeze that glute. Those big contractions make huge changes. They require a ton of energy and help us break down that muscle fiber. And then our body's gonna rebuild leaner and stronger than before. There we go. Come on. This is the last little bit. 25 seconds on this rep. This part of the workout is what you're gonna remember. So empty the tank. Come on. 15 seconds to go. Don't hold back. 10 seconds. Here we go. Last 3 reps. Push, push, push. 3, we've all got 1 more. 2, last one. 1. Oh, here we go. Shake out the arms. Going for the air lean high five. Remember, push up to toe touch to toe touch. Here we go. I'll show you again. 1, and then we're back. Just like that. 2, 1. Here we go. And I'll show you the knee push up. Just drop to the knees, and then you come up. Nice and easy. Come on. This one works our arms as well as our core while keeping that heart rate. I hope you see the theme here. I don't believe in doing the same thing over and over. I don't believe spending hours working out is the way to get the best results mentally or physically. So keep pushing. Come on. Here for a short time and a lean time. 8 seconds to go. Come on. Here we go, squatties. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm absolutely dripping with sweat. Always want to steak. I can barely talk. Well, squatties, that was a quick 10-minute low impact body weight hit that you can do anywhere, literally in the smallest tiny apartment. You don't even need a mat. All you need is some commitment to getting this done. And I promise you, the way I'm sweating, the way I'm breathing, that means I'm gonna ignite my metabolism. And it also means my body's gonna reward me with a wave of endorphins, make me feel energized, make me feel positive, reduce my stress, all of these positive things from just dedicating 10 minutes of time. So keep that in mind. Please make sure if you like this workout, subscribe to the channel, and please share. Tag me at Lean Squad when you get this done. That way you're gonna be inspiring other people to join and do the same. And lastly, make sure you check out the challenge below. 30 days with me. I'm doing every single workout with you, alongside you, keeping you motivated, private text group, recipes, the whole lean 9 yards. So squatties, I'm gonna go eat a nice big meal, and I will catch you for a next workout. Woo!